Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing lagging issues while watching YouTube videos on your PC, then there are several steps you can take to try and resolve this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, check your internet connection. Slow internet speed can cause videos to buffer and lag. Make sure you have a stable and high-speed internet connection. You can use speed test websites or apps to check your internet speed. So the another way is to remove your Google extensions. So all you have to do is tap on the extension icon available in the right next to the search address bar of Google. You can see there is an extension icon available. Tap on it and simply go to the manage extension. And there if you see any ad blocker, then simply remove it or remove all unnecessary extensions downloaded or listed here. You can review the list of extensions and identify any that you don't actively use or suspect might be causing performance issues, and tap on the remove button next to it and confirm the removal if prompted. So repeat this process for any other extensions you want to remove. After removing the extensions, restart your Chrome browser and visit the YouTube website and try watching a video to see if the lagging issue has been resolved. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.